To the curious, the inspired, and the ever learners. Ever feel like your brain is a browser with too many tabs open? Today we're diving into something game-changing. Tiago Forte's Build a Second Brain methodology, but with a modern AI twist that makes it even more powerful, of course. And no, I'm not talking about an actual human brain. Think of it as giving your brain a super-powered external hard drive that not only stores information, but helps you process it too. First up, what exactly is a second brain? Imagine having a digital companion that remembers everything you want to keep, organize it automatically, helps you turn that information into actual results. It's not just note-taking, it's creating your personal knowledge management system. For the majority of us, our biological brain isn't great at storing information, but it's amazing at generating ideas. So why not outsource the storage part? Put more power into your brain to allow it to innovate. The system works on 4 simple principles known as code. C is for capture. Save anything that resonates to you. Use tools like Notion, Obsidian, or even Apple Notes to jot those ideas down. And a pro tip for this, don't capture everything. Be selective about what you save. O is for organize. This is where you would sort things into projects, areas like ongoing responsibilities, resources, topics you care about, archives, the stuff you've completed. D is for distill. This is where you want to highlight key points. Summarize things for the future you so that you can come back and pick things up easily, and make these points actionable. Don't let them just be words on a page that you forget about. Make sure you turn them into something. Lastly, E is for express. Put your ideas out there. Turn your notes into content. Use them in projects. Share your knowledge. Let the world hear you. Alright, now here's where it gets exciting. Adding AI to supercharge your second brain. We're talking about smart organization, so AI automatically tagging and categorizing, finding connections you might miss, creating knowledge graphs. Then there's content processing. AI summarizes articles and videos, extracts key points automatically, generates insights from your notes. These tools typically will have an AI personal assistant that helps you with writing and brainstorming, managing your workflow, and reminding you of relevant information when needed. Remember, building a second brain isn't about creating a perfect system. It's about reducing mental load and boosting creativity. When you add AI to the mix, you're not just building a second brain, you're building a smarter one. If you've reached the end, congratulations, you've leveled up. But we don't stop here. Now you know the context of what Build a Second Brain is. The next part is the practical application. Make something happen. Join me in your next video, which should show up on your screen very shortly, where we go step by step through this process and have something tangible that we can show off. As this was a summarized version of the Build a Second Brain concept, I've included a link to a brilliant YouTube video that dives deeper into this in the description below. For now, consider liking and subscribing to the channel if you want to see more videos like this show up in your feed. I'll see you in the next one. And as always, remember to be kind to each other.